Hello Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po ay nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all, Capricorn. Pauna mensahe po ninyo ay commitment. Ayan. A commitment is indicated around love or business. It will make you feel better. Ayan. So maybe ang iba sa inyo dito is going to commit with a person, maybe there is a new love and romantic relationship na mabubuo between you and another person, or there could be a business partnership na papasukin ng iba sa inyo. So whatever the case may be, good luck sa inyo dyan, Capricorn, okay? What else? We have difficult times. Be on your guard against chaos, as unforeseen perils or emotional upheaval are foretold. Ayan, so be on the guard. Kaya mag-iingat kayo, Capricorn. Kasi maaano nyo pa to, mababago nyo pa ang sitwasyon na to. You can still do something about this. Kaya kailangang pag-isipan ninyong mabuti yung mga susunod ninyong gagawin, yung mga decision making na gagawin ninyo. Make sure na before you make a decision, tignan ninyong maigi ang inyong sitwasyon. Look at all four corners of your situation before you make a decision or before you say something. Pag-isipan ninyong mabuti. Okay? Pag-isipan ninyo yung mga magiging consequence or kung ano yung magiging epekto nito sa inyo at sa mga tao na nasa paligid ninyo. Okay? Para maiwasan ninyo ito. So, we have positive work outcomes. Consistent efforts will bring rewards and a major purchase is worth making. Ayan. So, maybe iba sa inyo dito nag-iisip ng pagbili ng mamahaling bagay, Maaring pag-i-invest yan sa bahay, sa condo, yung ganon, or maybe sa sakyan, or anything that is, mahal, malaking amount, maaring ganon. Dito naman, sabi dito, consistent efforts will bring rewards. Kaya, parang assurance ito, diba? Na if you are going to put your effort, extra effort on what you are doing, talaga, kapag pagsisikapan ninyo ang isang bagay, talagang merong reward yan na makukuha din kayo. May marireceive kayo, hindi ba? Na balik, kumbaga. Kaya yun, parang ini-emphasize sa inyo dyan na kung tatamad-tamad, asahan nyo na wala kayong makukuhang bonggang-bonggang reward para sa inyo. But if you are going to take extra effort, if you are going to persevere, if you are going to put your time, effort, and energy into something, then siguro, makakakuha kayo ng mas magandang premyo dyan, diba? Patience, ayan, everything can be accomplished in nature space. Kaya hindi natin kailangan magmadali, hindi natin kailangan i-insist, ipilit kung ano man yung timeline natin because, always remember that everything happens in divine order and timing. Kahit anong pilit natin, kahit anong insist natin na mangyari ang mga gusto nating mangyari, if it's not according to the divine plan, if it's not meant for you, if it's not meant to happen yet, ay talagang hindi rin yan mangyayari. Kaya this time, kung meron kayong mga sitwasyon na ganon, patience muna, patience muna, magpasensya muna tayo. And while we are patiently waiting for whatever it is na gusto ninyong makuha, ma-receive, yung ganon, listen to your intuition. Might as well listen to your intuition because for sure there will be guidance na binibigay sa inyo or pinapadala sa inyo. Okay? And maybe that is what you need to do right now while you are waiting. Alright? So what else? We have let go. Ayan. So may mga kailangan na kayong i-release dito and that could be the control over whatever it is that you want to achieve or what you want to happen in your life, So, maaaring yun ang kailangan na ninyong i-let go sa ngayon. Kailangan na ninyong i-release, yung control ninyo over that and instead, i-surrender nyo na lang yan sa divine universe. Surrender all your concerns. I-surrender ninyo lahat ng gusto ninyo, Mga hopes and dreams ninyo, mga heart's desires ninyo, surrender them to God, okay? So, maaari din na yung kailangan ninyo ditong i-let go, yung mga negativity, no? Sa buhay ninyo. Negative thoughts, negative feelings, yung ganon. Negativity sa inyong energy field, let go nyo na yan. You don't need them, no? And even situations or people sa buhay ninyo na hindi naman na nagsiserve ng iyong best interest, now is also the time to let them go. I-declutter na ninyo ang inyong buhay, ang inyong sarili. Okay? We have dance. Allow yourself some fun each day, just as the sun dances with the moon each night. Ayan. So, have fun. Okay, Capricorn? Always remember that we need to balance out our lives. Kailangan din natin na balansihin ang lahat. Diba? May kasabihan na all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Diba? Kaya paminsan, have fun. Okay? Embrace your inner child. Have fun, enjoy, diba? Kailangan ninyo yan. Alright? So, that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching Love and Light. Namaste. Hello, Virgo, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Pauna mensahe ni Virgo ay sexuality. Existing relationships can find a new passion and heightened sexual attraction. Ayan. So, maybe ang iba sa inyo dito in the past, yung nasa established relationship na, maaaring in the past hindi kayo masyadong passionate with each other, wala kayong intimacy, time for each other, with your person. Pero ngayon, this is good because you are finding new passion and heightened sexual attraction with your partner or with your person, So, mas may oras na kayo ngayon para sa inyong person siguro. For others of you, maybe there will be a marriage happening soon, or maybe there is engagement happening soon, So, that's really beautiful. For those singles then, singles Virgo out there, beware. Because maybe may mga indecent proposal dito na parating. Maybe mayroong mandiligaw sa inyo dito na mga, alam mo yan, yung mga nasa committed relationship na. Kaya mag-iingat kayo. Okay? For others of you, there could be magbubuntes. There could be someone dito na manganganak. Yung ganon. So, if it's not you, then could be your person. Ang manganganak na. We have health, an excellent time to start an exercise program or diet. Ayan, so napakaganda. Self-care. Dito ang focus ni Virgo. So this is really beautiful. Siguro nag-iisip kayo ngayon ng pagda-diet, pag siguro nagre-research din kayo on how you're going to lose weight, yung ganon. Maaari din ang iba sa inyo dito magsisimula na mag-exercise, maybe mag-enroll na sa iba, ang iba sa inyo sa gym, kumuha ng instructor, yung mga ganon siguro, so that's good. Many new friendships are on the horizon. Ayan, so you're about to meet new people dito na magiging kaibigan ninyo, kung sino man yan, you may develop that relationship into a beautiful friendship. So that's really beautiful. We have commitment. Ayan, a commitment is indicated around love or business. It will make you feel better. Ayan, so there could be a new love and romantic relationship dito na mabubuo between you and another person. Okay? So maaring kayo dito, maaring magkaroon kayo ng bagong love connection or maybe new business partnership, na magaganap or papasukin ng iba sa inyo dito. May mga collaboration siguro kayo in a project, yung ganon. So, what else for Virgo? We have kindness and take respite by a pond and be kind to yourself and others. Ayan. So, magiging mabait naman daw kayo sa inyong sarili, Virgo. Maybe you are too hard, You're becoming too hard on yourself. Maybe ang taas ng expectation ninyo sa sarili ninyo to the extent na napipressure na kayo, Maybe you are pressuring yourself dito, na ma-achieve ninyo yung gusto ninyo ma-achieve, magawa ninyo yung mga bagay na gusto ninyong ma-accomplish in a short period of time, maaaring ganon. So, parang pinipressure ninyo dito ang inyong sarili. That's why you're being asked here to be kind to yourself and not only that, to others din. Kasi, siguro din sa trabaho, diba? Siguro, kayo, may mga tao kayo sa trabaho and maybe pinipressure nyo din sila, no? Parang gano'n, nadadamay sila sa pressure na binibigay mo sa sarili mo. Origins, ayan, remember your roots. Ano man ang inyong marating, saan man kayo makarating, ano man ang inyong maging accomplishment or estado sa buhay, don't forget your roots. Don't forget kung saan kayo nanggagaling, saan kayo nagmula, yung gano'n, ano? What else? Yung mga humble beginnings dyan, kumbaga, wag ninyong kakalimutan. Let go. Okay, let go. There are so many things or even people or situations dito that you need to release, siguro, Virgo. Okay? So, let them go. Ano man ang hindi na kailangan sa buhay ninyo, ano man yung mga hindi na nagsuserve ng iyong best interest, don't keep it to yourself anymore. Makakasikip lang yan, makakapag-create lang yan ng negative energy sa buhay ninyo, kaya let them go. It's about time na i-release nyo na ang mga yan dahil hindi nyo naman na kailangan yan. Make room for newness, make room for growth, make room for new things, new situations, new people. Okay, Virgo? Na mas makakatulong sa inyong soul's growth. So, good luck. And that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste. Hello, Taurus, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo rito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all. Taurus, we have society. Ayan, say yes to all the wonderful invitations coming your way. Ayan, so maybe may mga ano dito, social gatherings, no? There could be networking there sa mga social gatherings na yan. Kaya, inibitahan kayo dito na, sige, paunlakan ninyo, hindi ba? Excellent networking, ayan na nga, excellent networking opportunities and new love interest for singles will be the result. See? So, maybe talaga dito ninyo din makikilala, no? Ang mga taong makakatulong ninyo sa inyong negosyo, mga taong support sa inyo sa kung ano man ang endeavor na ginagawa ninyo. There could be new friendships then. There could be new love interest din na makikilala kayo dito if you are single. So, good luck to that, Taurus. We have opportunities. Napakaganda. A stranger is about to change your life. Maaari yung stranger na to ay yung bagong tao makikilala ninyo sa gathering na to. Exciting times and plenty of action plus a special family reunion looks likely. Ayan. So, maybe then, no, yung gatherings na to could also be a family reunion din. So, maraming pagtitipon ang maaaring mangyari dito na sa buhay ninyo at pupuntahan ninyo yan, a-attendan ninyo, ano? And there are a lot of different opportunities na makukuha kayo dyan from those gatherings, no? So, dito may makikilala kayong bago na magbabago ng inyong sitwasyon. So, maybe mababago ang kalakaran ng buhay ninyo because of that person. We have achievement, enjoy the limelight, okay? You've earned it, although on the family front, someone's health could cause some secret worries and sleepless nights. Ayan. So, Taurus, you will be in the limelight, no? Magiging sikat kayo ngayon. Maaring may achievement, may accomplishment kayo dito na makakamit at this time. And magiging sikat, no? Magiging sikat kayo dito. Siguro makakamit nyo na dito yung inyong success, no? Sa kung ano man ang inyong ginagawa. While you are enjoying that, while you are savoring that success, at the back of your mind siguro may worry din kayo kasi maybe meron kayong mahal sa buhay na alam mo yun, alam ninyong meron dinaramdam sa katawan, alam ninyong may sakit, yung ganon, it may or may not resonate with you, Taurus, so just take as it resonates, okay? Tingnan natin kung ano pa ang ganap for you. We have change. Ayan. Change talaga is about to unfold sa buhay ninyo. Sa mga networking na yan, mga bagong love interest siguro na makikilala ninyo, new friendship na makikilala ninyo or mabubuo dito. That is going to change your life talaga. No? Those are life-changing events sa buhay ninyo na maaaring mag-unfold dito na hatid ng mga gatherings na to. So, maging handa kayo sa pagbabago. Okay? Embrace change. Kasi kadalasan naman yung mga pagbabago ay maganda ang naidudulot sa buhay natin. Diba? Kaya, ihanda nyo na ang sarili ninyo dyan sa pagbabagong mga magaganap. we have caution. Ayan, so take caution there, no? Take caution. Move cautiously. Pag-isipan pa rin ninyong mabuti, no? Bago kayo pumasok sa isang relasyon, bago kayo pumasok sa isang partnership, pag-isipan din ninyong mabuti, kilalanin niyo din yung tao, huwag kayong magmadali. Okay? So, make sure na nakausap ninyo ng maayos muna, make sure na talagang you dig deep into your situation, yung ganon. Huwag kayo masyadong maniniwala muna sa kung ano ang sasabihin sa inyo, kung ano yung offer sa inyo, kung ano yung proposal sa inyo. So, imbestigahan nyo din, no? Dig deep into whatever it is, like opportunities na inihahain sa inyo. Okay? So, what else? We have risk. You may take risk. You may take a leap of faith at this time. Maaari talaga na yung mga networking na yan, diba? Magbigay sa inyo ng opportunity para kayo ay sumubok ng mga bago, no? Bagong sitwasyon, bagong experience. So, maybe may mga papasukin kayo ditong bagong endeavor na hindi pa ninyo to nasubukan, hindi pa ninyo ito gamay, kaya kailangan na you need to tread that path cautiously. Okay? Lagi kayong makikinig sa inyong intuition. Okay? Taurus, lagi ninyong pakinggan ang inyong intuition because that will always lead you to the right direction. It will always give you a signal if there is something off with a situation or with a person or kung ano pa man ang kinabibilangan ninyong bagong sitwasyon. Okay? So, good luck and that's all I have for you for today. Thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.